So it has been 5 months since I've uploaded a video, and I have great explanations for that. But all I want to say is hi. I've had so much love and support even being off YouTube for 5 months. I've had a lot of subscribers reach out to me on social media, which I will link them down below so you guys can go follow me on there. I'm always active on social media right now. I have deleted a couple apps from my phone just for my own well-being. It has been 5 months because I have had 2 huge long vlogs, like over 30 minutes in my phone, but I do not have enough storage to even begin to edit and export out of iMovie for my phone. So I am going to start filming on my phone and getting them airdropped to my iPad, and I will start working from there to upload videos because I really want to get those 2 vlogs uploaded even though they're months old, because it was a lot of shopping, a lot of day in my life stuff, and just a lot of things that I have been wanting to post. I haven't been able to because of the storage on my phone. I'm currently working on getting more storage for my phone. I'm just not sure when that's going to be. I honestly need the huge, like 500 gigabyte iPhone at this point because I have hit the max on my current iPhone, and it's 256 gigabytes, and that's ridiculous. So I just wanted to hop on and say hello. I'm currently working. I'm still working from home and working my other job at night, and I'm also taking college classes. I am over halfway done with my summer classes right now, and I'm taking 3 classes, and it's extremely difficult with a toddler and 2 jobs, but I am trying my best to manage it all. I am finally pursuing my human services social work career, and it's been a roller coaster ride to say the least, but I was finally able to get financial assistance to help me with school, and I am forever grateful and blessed to be able to have a little extra help to get through school. But it's been challenging to say the least. So I haven't really thought to pull my camera out, but lots have changed in the last 5 months. I've moved into a new space. It's amazing. I have a yard. It's safe. A lot of stuff went down at my old apartment complex. I was there 3 going on 4 years. And honestly, if it was me, I would have just stayed because that's just how I am. And, you know, the location was not the greatest, but it was cheap. But the place that I'm in now is not much more expensive. It's a duplex. It's more of a homey house feel, and I'm back in my hometown. I feel safe. I can keep my door open all day if I wanted to. It's just a different environment than what I was used to. And because I have a daughter, it just wasn't safe for us to stay there anymore with gun violence and shootings and all of the things that you can think of. So I moved, and I was so sad when I didn't have enough storage to show you guys the moving process, because I have done so much to this place to make it cute and to make it my own. I've started gardening and planting flowers out front. I've been taking care of my house in a way that I never have. I have different decor in each room now, and I'm slowly working on things to make this place feel like home. And I just wanted to hop on and say hello. Thank you guys for the continued love and support. You guys know who you are. I've gotten several comments and DMs on Instagram and other social media sites asking when I'm going to be back. And honestly, it's hurt my heart to not be able to upload videos because I've had so much going on. Layla's almost 2 now. I know it's only been 5 months, but I mean, she's almost 2. She'll be 2 in October. I'm about to go on a vacation, child-free, with my boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. I don't know if I mentioned that in my last video. Maybe I didn't. We've been doing the damn thing for like 6 months. So it's been amazing, guys. It's just a lot has happened, and I just haven't had the storage to even upload any videos, and it makes me so sad. And if I do want to upload videos, they have to be completely unedited because I have to go straight from my camera roll into YouTube. So bear with me. I have a couple of videos that I'm going to try to export out soon. They're going to be old, but I want to get them out and off of my phone because, believe it or not, those long videos take up so much storage in your iPhones. So I'm working on getting a camera. I'm hoping soon I can get one that's, you know, cheaper so that I can just do it from my computer and buy an editing software for you guys. But I just wanted to hop on here and say hello. I missed you guys. I've missed my YouTube fam. And I am going to be back hard with the videos. Like I said, those 2 vlogs are going to be uploaded soon. I'm going to do a coffee bar DIY video. Super excited. I'm going to be showing you other house projects that I'm going to be working on in the new place. I'll be giving you a house tour, all the fun things. I'm also going to be recording as much as I can of my vacation. I am just kind of going to disconnect for my trip, but I also want to include as much as I possibly can for you guys as well. So be on the lookout for that. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys soon.